Background of mobile operating system. Mobile operating system can be said to be the software responsible for controlling and managing the hardware and software in mobile device, such as smartphone, tablets, or anything of things device. It is also responsible for several key functions, such as memory management, data handling, network security, and more. Statistics in 2023 they claim that more than 19% of mobile devices worldwide will have Android and iOS as the two operating platforms is true. The definition of key terms is mobile operating system, mobile OS, smartphone, tablet, and Internet of Things devices all use mobile operating system, which are pieces of software designed to efficiently control how this device works, application, and equipment, the availability of resources such as processing power, memory, and battery life, both in hardware and software. Secondly, physical form. Memory in this context is a piece of a random access memory RAM, hardware used by the central processing unit (CPU) to temporarily store data and instruction, and because it volatile memory, RAM erases any data stored on its time reach the machine, forming that column. Thirdly is virtual memory. The OS can use virtual memory as a memory management tool by expanding physical memory (RAM) to a segment of a secondary storage, such as a disk, so it can run more applications that it can reach physical memory alone. Lastly is tracing. Tracing occurs when the OS constantly runs programs around the board RAM and swap space, greatly reducing system performance. This happens when there is more processing that RAM can handle. Importance of memory management in mobile operating system is essential in mobile operating system because it ensures optimal utilization of limited resources and optimal system performance. One key feature is resource efficiency, which ensures that program runs smoothly even with compressed memory. This is important for memory-intensive applications like gaming or multimedia, preventing crashes and slowness. Next, high performance is also maintained by avoiding issues such as tracing, where excessive switching between RAM and storage degrades performance.
Background for memory management. Memory management is operating system. Data memory can be defined as a collection of data in a specific format. It is used to store instruction and process data. The memory comprises a large array or group of words or bytes, each with their own location. The primary purpose of a computer system is encrypted program. This program, along with the information they access, should be in the main memory during execution. The CPU fetches instruction from memory according to the value of the program counter. And next for swapping. When a process is encrypted, it must have resided in memory. Swapping is a process of swapping a process temporarily into a secondary memory from the main memory, which is fast compared to second memory. A swapping allows more processes to be run and can be fit into memory at one time. The main part of swapping is transferred time, and the total time is directly proportional to the amount of memory swapped. And next for memory location. To gain the proper memory in utilization, memory location must be allotted efficient manner. One of the simple method for location memory is to divide memory into several size partition, and each partition contains exactly one process. The degree of multiprogramming is obtained by the number of partitions. And next, segmentation. The process divided into segments. The charts that a program is divided into, which are not necessarily all of the size, are called segments. Segmentation gives the user view of the process which is paging does not provide. Here, the user view is mapped to physical memory. Type of segmentation in operating system: virtual memory segmentation. For paging is a memory management that eliminates the need for a contiguous location of physical memory. The process of paging is the form of page from the secondary storage into the main memory is known as paging. The basic purpose of paging is to separate each produce into page. The structure of the page table is a data structure that keeps track of the memory location and access permission for each process. It is component of any operating system, including mobile ones, as it helps manage memory location and protect the system from memory-related issues. In mobile operating system, the page table can be implemented using various techniques, such as fix a variable page size, and it can be low memory or on the disk. The choice of technique depends on the specific requirement and contracts of the device and the operating system.
Virtual memory refers to a memory management method where computers use secondary memory to compensate for the scarcity of physical memory. With virtual memory, computer can run complete and sophisticated programs as their complicating memory when multiple programs are made within a fixed memory space. Demand pegging. Demand pegging is memory management technique used in operating system to load page of a program into memory only when they are needed. This is different from the traditional approach of loading an entire program into memory before execution. Demand pegging is important for mobile operating system because it helps conserve memory resources and reduce bits into output and input. Next is copy and write. Copy and write is a strategy used in operating system to optimize data copying. When a copy is requested, copy and write, create a new reference to the existing data instead of duplicating the entire data. This allows the system to defer allocating and copying physical memory page until the copies are needed. Next, page replacement. Page replacement is a memory management technique used in operating system to replace pages in memory with pages that are not currently being used. There is limited page and cache information available between iOS and Android, especially for this platform. However, both operating systems use different approaches to memory management, which can affect the suitability of page replacement on each system. Next is allocation of frame. Frame allocation algorithm involves managing and dividing the main memory of the operating system into multiple frames for storing processes. Process allocating frame in virtual memory is paging, to use page table to translate virtual addresses into physical addresses. If the operating system or program can't find something in RAM, the operating system will move the page back to memory. And the last is thrashing. In mobile operating system, crashing is a condition where a system spends more time swapping data between the main memory and secondary storage. The executing the task also between memory and disk, resulting in poor performance. This happens when the system memory is overloaded, which process the require more memory than in available. The operating system spends too much time swapping page between memory and disk due to a lack of memory.
Okay, I will continue to a conclusion. A mobile operating system is a software platform on which other applications such as computer system reside. The mobile device manufacturer chooses the system that works for that particular device for you to showing your device features and functions to work with note wheels, keyboards, WAP, apps, email, and text messaging, such as the same function system. Additionally, the mobile operating system will decide which external apps you can use on your smartphone. Our discussion mentioned in this paper consists of mobile operating system growth in several categories: market share, comparative analysis, problems and challenge. The study covers all these problems and barriers. The response of products to barriers are delivered in the potential of this competitive market. Like a desktop OS, a mobile OS is the main software that other applications run on. The manufacturer of your mobile device has already decided on its operating system before you ever buy it. The operating system determines your smartphone's thumb wheel, keyboard, WAP, application sync, email, text messaging, and other features and functions. Other OS decide which third-party apps are compatible with your mobile OS. The scope of this research narrowly focused on the following topics: mobile operating system development, categories, market share, comparative study, issues and challenges to compete this competitive industry. Many vendors do solutions based on research into these concerns and barriers. That's all from me. Thank you.